Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to run or install old software on your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe our channel Tricknology. So first of all you need to right click on that software which you want to install on your new PC. So right click on the software and go to the properties. After that you have to click on this compatibility tab. Now you have to check this option is called run this program in compatibility mode for, and here on the drop down menu you have to choose Windows Vista or Windows XP Service Pack 2. In my case I will choose Windows Vista, and after that you have to check this option is called run this program as an administrator. After that you have to click on apply and then OK. Now I have to run this software on your computer. Now let's see it's working or not. So as you can see it's showing preparing to install. That means it's working properly. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and if you have any queries or questions then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.